Hello children, very good morning. Welcome back to English class. How are you all? All are fit and fine? Seri Society's KKCBC School, Chikodi. So children, in the yesterday's class, we done reading revision, is it? Yeah. So, in the today's class also, we'll do reading revision. Okay? So, I will ask you some questions, you have to answer it. Understood? Okay. So, I had given the homework. Is it the A sound word, the E sound word, the I sound word, the O sound words and U sound words? Is it? So, all that you are practicing it? Okay, very good. So, everyone has to know to read. Okay? Yes. So, help of vowels we are reading. Okay? Yes. If you don't know vowels, which are the 5 vowels you don't know means, then you can't read it. You have to know the alphabets first. Okay? A to Z alphabets you have to know, capital and small letters. So both the letters, first letter and second letters, capital letters and small letter, you have to perfect. You know means you will read it. You will identify the all the letters means you can read the words. You can make the word. Okay? Yes. So in the today's class also, we'll do reading practice. Okay? So tell me children, how many vowels are there in English? How many vowels there in the English? How many vowels? Yes, 5 vowels. Is it? Yes. So which are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Is it? Yes. How many vowels? 5 vowels. So which are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Yes. So these are what? 5 vowels. Is it? Yes. From these letters, vowels, we read the words. Is it? Vowels. Yes. So in that words, some letters are consonants are there. Some letters are vowels are there. Is it? Yes. So both the letters will be there. Then it will make word. Okay. So tell me once again, how many vowels? 5 vowels. Is it? Yes. 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So these are what? 5 vowels. You have to know this very well, children. Okay? Okay. So next is consonants. So how many consonants there is in English? 21. How many consonants? 21. So which are the 21 consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, O, sorry, O is not there, P, Q, R, S, T, U, sorry, U also not there, U also vowel, V, W, X, Y, Z. Is it? Yes. E is there? No. E is there? No. I is there? No. O is there? No. U is there? No. So what these are? A, E, I, O, U vowels. Is it? Yes. So what remains? Let us know. These are consonants. Okay. So children, this is a words, vowels words. Okay. So what is the first one? B-A-T, bat. Is it? Yeah. B-A-T, bat. Next, B-O-T, bot. B-O-T, bot. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. F-I-T, fit. F-I-T, fit. G-U-T, gut. G-U-T, gut. H-U-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. J-O-T, jot. J-O-T, jot. L-O-T, lot. L-O-T, lot. N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. B-E-T, beat. B-E-T, beat. B-U-T, but. B-U-T, but. C-U-T, cut. C-U-T, cut. J-E-T, get. G-E-T, get. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. L-E-T, lit. L-E-T, lit. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. N-O-T, not. N-O-T, not. B-I-T, bit. B-I-T, bit. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. F-A-T, fat. F-A-T, fat. G-O-T, got. G-O-T, got. H-I-T, hit. H-I-T, hit. J-E-T, jet. J-E-T, jet. L-I-T, lit. L-I-T, lit. M-E-T, meat. M-E-T, meat. N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. So what these are? These are vowel words, is it? Yes. The A sound word, the O sound word, the I sound word, the U sound word, the E sound word. So all the vowels are there, no? In this word? Yes. So this is a vowels words. Okay? Yes. Next is a... Okay, so children, now we'll fill the missing the vowels letters here. Okay? Yes. So which picture it is? First one, that is a pen. Is it? Yes. So what is the pen spelling? P-E-N, pen. Is it? Yes. P-E-N, pen. So write it here. E P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. Yes. Okay, next picture is whip. So Spider-Man house will be, no? Yes, it is whip. W. Next word is what? V-B. Weeb. Okay. The spelling is, which vowel is missing here? E. W-E-B, weeb. So write it here. So I will write here E letter. W-E-B, weeb. Okay. So next picture is what? Box picture is there. Is it B dash X? So which vowel is missing here? O. Is it? Yes. O vowel is missing. So here I will write O. B-O-X box. B-O-X box. Okay, next picture is what? Next picture is what this? Yes. Birthday hat. No? Yes. Hat spelling H-A-T hat. So which vowel is missing here? A. Is it? Yes. So H H-A-T hat. H-A-T hat. Okay. So next picture is what? Bed picture is there. Is it? Yes. We will sleep on bed, no? Yes. Where we will see the bed? In the bedroom. Is it? Yes. So what is the bed spelling? B-E-D bed. B-E-D bed. So here which vowel is missing? E. B-E-D. So here I will write E. B-E-D bed. Okay. Next picture is what? Leg picture is there. Is it? Yes. So what is the leg spelling? L-E-G leg. L-E-G leg. So which vowel is missing here? The E letter. The E vowel is missing. E. L-E-G leg. L-E-G leg. Okay. So next picture is what? Fan picture. Is it? Yes. So what is a fan spelling? F-A-N fan. F-A-N fan. Is it? Yes. So which vowel is missing here? A. The A vowel is missing. F-A-N fan. F-A-N fan. F-A-N fan. Okay. So next picture is what? Rat picture is there. Is it? Yes. So what is a rat spelling? R-A-T rat. R-A-T rat. Is it? Yes. So which vowel is missing here? A. R-A-T rat. R-A-T rat. Okay. So next picture is what? Cat picture is there. Is it? Yes. So what is the cat spelling? It's very good. C-A-T cat. C-A-T cat. So which vowel is missing here? Yes. A. C-A-T cat. C-A-T cat. Okay. So now we fill the missing the vowels. Is it? Yes. Okay. So next what we had to do? We had to match with the picture with the words. Okay. So both the side pictures are there and middle had words. Is it? Yes. So here we had to match picture with word. Okay. See. Ant. Ant. Fish. Fish. Cat. Bed. Dog. Hen. Pig. Hat. Egg. Milk. Duck. Fox. sun, bag, socks, bug. Is it? Yes. So what these are? Picture with words we done matching. Is it? Yes. So you knows now words. Is it? Yes. So if I had given in the exam is like this, you have to do it. Okay? Okay. So homework is reading. Okay? The A sound word, the E sound word, the I sound word, the O sound word, the U sound words. So these 5 vowels words, sound words, you have to read it with the spelling. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day.